Hey, it's Dave Saltonstall, senior correspondent for the Daily News. And yes, Elena Kagan has been nominated to be a Supreme Court Justice by President Obama. But now the fun part begins. She's got to be confirmed. And it's already clear that she's going to take a lot of heat on 3 or 4 issues, I would say, in her background. One is abortion, always a hot-button issue. It's assumed that she is pro-choice. She's said as much in the past, but there's really very little paperwork on what exactly she thinks a woman's right to choose is. Another is don't ask, don't tell, the military's ban on gays serving openly. When she was dean of the Harvard Law School, she banned military recruiters from recruiting on the campus, and that is already inciting a lot of questions from Republicans who believe it shows that she's completely out of step with the needs of America. She's also just never been a judge, which is very unusual for a Supreme Court justice. It's been decades since somebody outside of the judiciary has been nominated. She's mainly an academic. She has served in that capacity for a number of years.
I had the privilege of leading one of the world's great law schools and of working there to bring people together and to help ensure that they and the school were making the largest possible contribution to the public good.
Right now, she's Solicitor General, and that's another important point. It should be noted that to get her current job as Solicitor General, she had to be confirmed by the Senate, and she was so easily, with more than 60 votes, including 7 Republicans.
I have felt blessed to represent the United States before the Supreme Court, to walk into the highest court in this country when it is deciding its most important cases that have an impact on so many people's lives. And to represent the United States there is the most thrilling and the most humbling task a lawyer can perform. I've been fortunate to have been supported in all the work I've done as Solicitor General.
But Republicans today are saying this is a completely different job. The U.S. Supreme Court Justice is a lifetime appointment. It's one of the most powerful positions in America, so they plan to put her through her paces, I think, in a completely different way. But while anything can happen in these confirmation hearings, and sometimes do, I would say that right now, Elena Kagan has a better than good shot at being confirmed as the next U.S. Supreme Court Justice.